Hello, everyone. Let's talk about this one trick that can make your graduation photos 10 times better. Incorporate meaningful props that represent your accomplishments, interests, or future plans. Here's how to do it effectively. First, academic achievements. Your diploma or degree is an obvious but essential prop. Consider how you display it: flat, slightly angled, or held proudly. Second, a favorite book, a specialized tool, or a project you are particularly proud of can add context and personality. For example, a medical student might include a stethoscope, while an engineering student might display a model of a design. Third, choose an object that symbolizes your journey. This could be a memento from a significant experience, a small item that represents a challenge you overcame. Lastly, subtly incorporate your school's color or mascot. A small, tasteful inclusion, like a ribbon, a scarf, or even a piece of clothing, can show your school pride without overwhelming the photo.